In today's video, I'm going to teach you basic shaping, modeling a jet from a cube. We'll start simple and build a clean, recognizable jet using only a few core modeling tools. Begin by placing a cube in your scene. Keep it centered and use it as your base. A cube is great for this because its even topology gives you predictable results as you push and pull shapes. Next, resize the cube to match the rough proportions of a jet. Think long and sleek rather than tall. Stretch it along the axis that represents the jet's length, compress it vertically, and adjust the width to something that feels balanced. Don't chase perfection here. We're establishing a silhouette to guide the rest of the work. Now, let's extrude the fuselage. Select the face you'll pull from and use the extrude tool to extend the main body along the length of the aircraft. To work efficiently, add a symmetry object so you only model one side while the other updates automatically. Place the cube under the symmetry object and ensure it mirrors across the correct axis for left and right. This keeps everything perfectly centered and saves time. It's time to add wings. Select the faces on the fuselage where the wings will attach. Use Extrude Inner to create a new polygon loop around that area. This inserts a supporting border and helps the wings blend neatly into the body. With that loop in place, use Extrude to pull the wings outward. Focus on the angle and thickness so they look aerodynamic but solid. Shape the wingtips for a more refined look. Select the tip polygons, use scale to make them smaller, and then move them back along the z-axis to create a subtle sweep. Apply Extrude Inner again on the tips to define an edge that will hold the shape nicely and suggest a manufactured panel transition. Finally, create the nose. Select the front polygon of the fuselage. Use Extrude and Scale together. First extrude slightly and scale down to start tapering. Then extrude again, this time longer, to form a sharp, decisive tip. Keep your adjustments incremental so the nose transitions smoothly from the body without dents or pinching. And that's the basic shaping pass. By starting with the cube, resizing thoughtfully, extruding the fuselage under symmetry, building the wings with Extrude Inner and Extrude, refining the tips, and forming the nose with controlled extrusions, you've laid a clean foundation for a jet that's ready for further detailing and refinement.